Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I would like to show you how to pin our Instagram post so we can move up our Instagram post to the top of our profile. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing we should do is open our Instagram app on our phone, and then after that we can go to our profile and then choose the post that we want to pin. And then I'll go with this post. Alright, just click on the post and then click on this click on this three dots button, and then there will be several options for us, and then we can click pin to your profile. Alright, and then let's check it together. Alright guys, this is the post that we have just pinned. Okay, that's how we can pin our Instagram post, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.